Hey there, Express Maintenance family. Eric Waymeyer here, and I wanted to put together another quick video that would share some of the other things that we've been working on as far as updates to the software. We've gotten a lot of feedback from you guys on being able to, you have a desire to want to host more than one database in or one site. You want to host more than one site in one database, but when you did that in the past, it was kind of a mess because you would go to services and every user would see every other site's service. And we came up with some ways for you guys to delineate that, and you've been very patient with us, but we wanted to make it better. So we've now added a way for you to be able to really and truly compartmentalize users to the sites that they have responsibilities for within the database. So now, not only under employees can you limit by site, equipment, and parts, but now you can assign people to multiple sites. So it used to be one or all. Now it's any variation of sites. So if one person is over multiple sites data, then you can give them access to just those particular sites. Same thing with parts, you can limit to just particular sites. But we had to go further than that this time. We had to take it all the way to the services. So if this service for these air compressors is something that is for my site that I'm in control of, when I create that service, I'll just need to simply come over here and say this is for this site only. Now I can still leave it as all. So if you don't have any selected, it's going to leave it as all so that other sites could use it. But if you want to protect your data, if you want to have things that are specific to you, you can create your own services and do it that way. Same thing with codes. Maybe your site doesn't share the same codes as another site. So here's one of our codes in the services categories. For tool, the code is tool replacement. If that only needs to be available for my site, because no other sites really care about tool replacement, then that is something that I can do here as well. So this should really make it easier for you guys to be able to keep more than one database in Express Maintenance. If you have or more than one site in Express Maintenance, inside of one Express Maintenance database. Now, if you currently have all of your sites broken down in other databases, it is possible to move that data into one database. But just keep in mind that you're probably going to need our help to do that. That's going to be a project. We're going to have to quote it out and some things like that. And just a little future commercial, we are actually developing a way for you to be able to report across multiple sites. And that's going to be in our along with our dashboard and the middle tier server that we have created for Express Maintenance will provide a way for you guys to capture data from multiple sites and generate a single report from multiple Express Maintenance databases. So I won't get into too much of that, but just to let you know that while if you have already been doing this and you have everything broken down into multiple databases, that's not a problem. We are working on a solution to make it to where you can still report out of one database across multiple databases. So just keep that in mind. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. You can reach me directly as as the executive account manager. My desk number is 931-269-9764 if you have any questions. And be sure to check out the rest of our YouTube videos for any training or updates. All right, we'll talk to you guys later.